For the function given above, we are given y is equal to negative 3 times x plus 1 times x plus 7. Answer the following question. Okay, we're given a parabola. Let's review the form of the parabola. That's called ax squared plus bx plus c. This is called the standard form. Now the second one is y is a times x minus h squared plus k. This is called the vertex form. Your vertex will be h comma k. Now then you're given an intercept form. That's a times x minus p times x minus q. This is called the intercept form. Now intercept form, your x-intercept will be p and q. How do we find these two? You set x minus p equal to 0, and then you set x minus q equal to 0. So x minus p is equal to 0, x is equal to p, x minus q is equal to 0, x is equal to q. Okay, now by looking at the a value of all three forms, now that will be when you expand the second one and the third one, that a value will be the leading coefficient of x squared. So when a is greater than 0, we know that it's a U-shaped. When a is less than 0, it's upside down U-shaped. Let's compare this to the function given to us. Y is negative 3, x plus 1, x plus 7. Okay, you set the first one equal to 0, and you set the second one equal to 0. You know that x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is negative 1, x plus 7 is equal to 0, x is negative 7. So we have a 2x intercept, and then let's take a look at the a value. That should be the first one you should look at. Now my a value is 3. A value is negative 3, that's less than 0. So we know that that will be the upside down U shape. Now, knowing the x-intercepts, we can draw the rough graph. So mark negative 7 here, mark negative 1 here. Want you to graph it, upside down U shape. So your vertex will be the maximum value of this function. So your y value gets as high as that y coordinate of the vertex. So how do we find the vertex? The axis of a symmetry will be in between negative 7 and negative 1. That will be actually halfway. So we will find it by finding the average value of negative 7 and negative 1. So that will be negative 8 over 2. So that's negative 4. So the x coordinate of the vertex will be negative 4. Now, because this is negative 4, as you can see, so now how do we find the y value? Now we know that x is equal to negative 4. Y value when x is equal to negative 4, that will be negative 3 times negative 4 plus 1 times negative 4 plus 7. That will be negative 3 times negative 3 times 3. That will be negative times negative will make it positive. That's 27. So the y coordinate will be 27. So we're ready to answer the question. Now, definitely from the graph, we know that this function will have a maximum value because it is upside down U-shaped. So the maximum value of the function, that's y value, is 27 when x is equal to negative 4. So that's how you answer the question.